Hey, I'm Dionysius from BuyCompanyName.com. Today I will present you how you can connect your Porkpan domain to your Shopify store with simple steps. Before I start with the presentation, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Okay, let's start. I have already signed in to my Porkpan account. I will click on the up right on the account section. I will choose domain management, and after that I will see my domain list. I find the domain that I want to connect to my Shopify store, and I will click details on the right of this domain. A new menu will appear, and then I need to click here on DNS records, edit. I will add two different records, an A record and the CNAME record. But I need some details from Shopify. Let's go to my Shopify store. I have already signed in here too. On the left, I see the online store section. I click on it. I choose domains. And then on the top, I choose connect existing domain. I will type the domain. Click next. I will click here verify connection to find the details that I want. Of course the verification will fail, but I have now the details that I want. Let's start by copy the A record. In the host section I don't add anything. In answer section, I paste this IP that I got from my Shopify store. I click add. I see that the record is added. And then I choose CNAME. Now here I need to add www. And for the answer section, I will copy that value, shops.myshopify.com. I copy that value and I paste here. I click add and I see that I have added successfully these two records. Now, the process will take some time. Even if I have added the records, my Shopify store will not connect it instantly with the domain. I suspect that when I click verify again here, it will fail. Let's see. Only one record was successfully verified. But okay, give it some time. It will not verify instantly. It will take some hours, up to 48 hours. Okay, I'm here after some hours. Let's see if we can verify the domain now. I will click verify connection. Let's wait. And the domain was successfully connected. Sometimes you will see here some note that SSL is pending or here, but that is normal. Just wait some hours and this will disappear. Let's try to visit a domain to see if it works. Nice. Let's try the www version. Oh, it works too. It redirects to the version without the www. If we want to change the version and use the one with www. We can choose here change primary domain, and then we can choose the domain that we want. If something unexpected happens to you and more than 48 hours have passed, leave a comment below and I will help you. Bye!